Today I'm going to be reviewing Now's Peppermint Gels. These are used for if you have stomach issues when you eat. I have IBS, so I need peppermint to kind of settle. It settles my stomach, but actually it gets dissolved in the intestines. And this is actually really important for you to know. I'll show you, this is actually what the pill looks like. It's enteric coated, and so what this is going to do is allow it to pass your stomach and dissolve in your intestines, because peppermint oil can be not very good in your stomach, but in your intestines it actually helps settle everything, giving you less gas, and just overall helps with my stomach issues. I take it about 20-30 minutes before a meal. The important thing to know is a lot of peppermint oils, first of all, they're not enteric coated, so they'll dissolve in your stomach and not work. And second, that they need to be at least 180 milligrams. Now these pills or gels are 362 milligrams of peppermint if you take 2 tablets. They also have ginger and fennel, which are also good for settling your stomach. So overall, this is a brand that I really like. They get 4.5 stars on Amazon. I normally like to see 4.4, so it beats that. It's got over 4,300 ratings, and in September of 2025, 5,000 of these were sold. So people are buying them, people like them, and it works well. This is inexpensive, and the more you buy, the cheaper they get. So you can buy in 1 or 2 bottles. Just always be checking that price. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.